Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside your active sequence, import the cleaned audio clip, and ensure timeline sample rate matches your file. Select the clip or full sequence, then open the text panel. Choose Transcribe sequence, pick source audio track and language, and enable speaker identification if needed. Once you hit Transcribe, Premiere uploads audio for analysis and creates a transcript layer. You're starting the automated pass now, so make sure background noise is minimal and files are proxied if large to speed. Once the transcript appears, you'll proofread and fix misheard words directly in the Transcript tab. Click a phrase to play its audio for verification. If speakers are misassigned, relabel them so captions read naturally. Next, choose Create Captions from Transcript and select the caption format, style, and timing tolerance. Make manual timing tweaks by dragging caption blocks on the timeline or splitting long segments. This step ensures your captions match speech cadence and comply with readability rules for viewers. To finish, review captions once more on the timeline and set your caption styling, then export using Export Media. Choose to burn in or include sidecar. SRT. Save the transcript and caption files for reuse. If you see persistent errors or missing text, make sure your internet connection is stable, split long sequences into shorter clips, or reduce background noise and retranscribe. If the automatic pass still struggles, re-record or run audio through noise reduction before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.